then start recording. Then I want to place it in the rightmost corner of the screen. So when I capture the screen, I mark the rightmost corner in the screen. Then I go to the top of the file here, create a new section for some new notes. So it is going to open with a right slash, then press the couple of returns, Control V for the file name, couple of more return, and close the section with a right slash. Oops, I meant to match it against the opening right slash with a left slash. This way it segregates the rest of the file. And then in addition to that, I want to start PSAR, Problem Step Recorder. Verify that the setting is set to 999. So I'm going to upgrade it from 25 to 999. Click OK and start a new recording. So now I have 3 local recordings going on. PSAR, Problem Step Recorder Executable, a webcam, and a video screen recorder recording the file that I listed above here, my video, date dash time of the day.mpeg, which is a video file name. Now I would like to demonstrate the hat and bib halo effect. So I'm going to wear this hat and then the bib. This combination forms a halo effect on the head of the operator for video recording and video hyperlinks. So this will make for a video hyperlink, including a vanity phone number with a domain name, spelling the words. Let's put it here in the notes. Open parentheses, with, close parentheses, more, dot biz, and this is with more is the domain name, and dot biz is the domain name extension, and that translates to the numbers 949 area code, close parentheses, 6673 dot 249. Okay, so that is the halo, hat, and bib ad. Halo, hat, and bib. This is not only a bib, of course, it is also a face mask. So I put bib, face mask for dust and also for COVID. And altogether, it forms a file name. I'm going to copy it again, edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then paste it immediately after the video file name. And all of that I will include in the file name. I put an equal sign and then a space. I don't want to have carriage returns and other things like that. So that will form a part of the file. Now another focus of this video is to talk to AI and comply with the Google Voice requirement. So I'm going to go to the Gmail account, move my step recording now dialog box to another location as I navigate to find what do I need to do. First of all, this is an outdated email message, so I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to open another email message that did deals with vlog crawl web. I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer first, then navigate to the notepad and paste it right on top. Control V. At this point, I got the new vlog crawl web account. Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer as I'm going to another Gmail account and try to log into the new account. So I want to click add another account, and now I can see the message that I have already too many accounts signed. So I'm going to go back to another account and just log out of all the accounts first. So I sign out of all the accounts and then sign back into one of the accounts. So I comply with Google requirements to not logged into many accounts at the same time, and see if it will let me log in. So now that it let me log in and I'm logged in, I want to try again to log into this new account and scroll down to see the option to log into this new account. Add another account. Scroll down yet again and use another account. Control V to paste the account name in, and then enter the password. And then I want to delete the outdated messages, so I mark all the current messages and delete them. And now that I deleted all the messages, I want to comply with the Google requirement. So I go to Google Voice to make an outbound call to ChatGPT and to discuss, review the issues that I'm going to talk about now. So I'm going to try to click to make a call to GPT.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you?
Help me by listening to my algorithm that I'm developing now about making outbound calls to ChatGPT.
An algorithm to interact with ChatGPT.
Yes, and also to comply with Google, also to comply with Google Voice that requires users to make outbound calls so that it will not expire in 30 days.
Got it. You're working on ensuring our and interact with ChatGPT to avoid expiration.
Exactly. But in addition to that, I'm working on a new concept of hat, bib, mask ads using a halo effect.
You're working on a new concept for headgear that integrates
Not exactly. Let me repeat again. What I'm doing is I'm placing ads on a hat, on the
you're placing ads on a head, helping to create like a wearable
Yes, but it is actually a fishing hat with a large under brim and over brim. And I place an ad on both the over brim and the hat and the under brim. The interesting part is that the under brim creates a halo effect around the face of the operator. With the mask, with the top of the halo, and the bottom of the halo is the face mask or a bib. That's that's right. And when dropping the face mask underneath the chin, it forms a bib. So this is about a fishing hat halo effect on the under brim combined with a bib and using a vanity phone number, like in this case, a phone number that spells Wiz More Biz. Did you get it? No, no, no. Okay, this is Wiz, W I Z, More. That is the domain name. Wiz More. And that biz is a domain name extension. Repeat that. No, 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 not that. No, no, not Buzz. Biz. B I Z. Domain name extension. That's right. And then you forgot the second, there's a pair. The first line is the domain name and the domain name extension, in this case, wizmore.biz. And the second line is the vanity phone number that wizmorebiz spells. I'm planning to put it on videos and make video hyperlinks so when the user is ready to view the website, it can click on a YouTube or some other hyperlink and be ported to the website with more biz, where he then can click on a phone number and automate the outbound calling to a Wismore Biz with a vanity phone number. Figure out what is Wismore Biz, what are the digits of the vanity phone number that Wismore Biz represents. Exactly. So when the user is when the browser ports the users to the wizmore.biz website, then the users can click on the wizmore.biz phone number, which is 949 6673 and 249. It will make an outbound call to the wizard, and that will be an AI caller wizard that will converse with the user and answer questions that the user may have. That's right. But the most important thing is the machine learning aspect of this idea, which is when the AI wizard, a Wizmore Biz, cannot answer it, Wizmore Biz will connect to a Zoom call additional experts in various areas related to Wizmore Biz and bring a real human expert to a video conversation with the caller, which can explain the answer to the question that the AI wizard could not figure out. And the AI wizard can listen to that, learn from that, and in the future, in subsequent calls, when the same questions come up, apply the new learning, which is the answer to the special question that the AI wizard didn't know to answer prior to the call. Right, and it is also important to understand that Wismore Biz is also a business theme that deals with an AI wizard that will help businesses or organizations get more business. And then there will be multiple wizards in various areas of boosting the business of an organization, such as business, medicine, engineering, and music, and so on. And within each area of business, will break down to further specialties like a university. In the business school, there will be an accounting department, a finance department, a management science department, an IT department, a business law department, and each one will have a slew of experts that will be ready to be added to the video conference and answer questions to teach the AI wizard about new answers to new questions. Also, personalize the conversation to the individual caller. So the AI would learn that an individual caller, for example, myself, may be interested in a special aspect of caller AI and will ask specific questions about caller AI, which will trigger an expert in caller AI that will join the conversation, somebody with a combination of AI expertise, maybe in computer science and math, combination with a business expertise that is familiar with the caller AIs as they apply to a business and uh, jet, uh, voice AI.
By connecting callers to experts with both AI and business expertise, you can offer tailored insights. This could make Wizmore Biz an invaluable resource for individuals and businesses alike, offering specialized knowledge in areas like caller AI, computer science, and voice AI. It sounds like a unique and valuable offering.
That's right. And in this case, also, we are dealing with a special Google account that specifies that the name, whose name is Vlog Call Web. Did you get it? Vlog Call Web.
Yes, I got it. The Google It's a distinct name and seems fitting for a project involving video calls and web integrations.
Exactly, but not only that. It is called vlog call web, which implies vlog stands for video log, and call web that video log can be created and published on a website that stores the history of the call to add content to the website as content creators need. Exactly. So now I'm calling 800 chat GPT and I record and transcribe our conversation, which I will then publish in the web that is called vlog call web. That is not only call, but since it is a Zoom session, it will be a video call and we will have a video of the call, the transcript of the call, as well as other details. For example, the details as to how to prevent a Google voice number from expiring in the next 30 days by making an outbound call to a ChatGPT AI caller. And then also saving it, the conversation and notes from the conversation in a notepad, in a video recording, as well as a screen recording locally on the PC to track and verify and make sure that you comply with the Google Voice requirement and not let the Google Voice number expire within 90 days. Yeah, and there is also a problem. Many times Google confuses the users as to which account they are in. Right now, I wanted to be in a single account, and Google is telling me you are not signed out. Sign back in and then click retry. I'm not sure which account I'm signing in and which account I'm not signing in. So there is a problem in confusion. So I have to sign back into this vlog call web account. Yeah, it's really, I have to use another browser sometime because once Google gets a hold of the browser, it starts confusing everything and creating a major problem. Yeah, let me just finish with the scroll. I'll try to use another log in again into this account. I have to copy the account name, which is vlog call web, to the clipboard buffer first, and see edit, copy, and then see whether Google will let me log in again. And if not, I will have to use another browser. So I go add another account once, and then go to the bottom and try to use another account. Then paste the name of the account, Control V, go click next. Yeah, let's see what will happen. Now I'm looking at the account name and it is logged. I logged again into the account name. And then I want to save the password so it doesn't keep on bothering me to enter the password. And then I want to go to that area that contains the Google Drive. So I'm going to the waffle, then click Drive, and basically repeat what I tried to do before when Google suspended my work by clicking the plus new first, then folder upload. Yes, so now I have to enter the folder that I want to upload. So I copy to the clipboard buffer and then edit, copy, go back to the folder prompt on the select folder to upload and paste Control V, the folder name. And then I press the enter key and the enter key again, then click the upload button and pray. Then click the upload button yet again and wait. I wait for Google to reply, uploading one item started, less than a minute left, and hope that it will upload successfully. Right, and now it works and it says one upload complete, Google Voice 1, 17 of 17. So I go back to my notepad and I mark an X in front of the file name, and then I write 17, indicating that 17 folders have been uploaded with this one Google Voice 1 subfolder. So far, so good. Let's review. What did I accomplish so far? And now I'm trying to save it in yet another file name to create another subfolder with this account name, which is vlog call web. Right, and this is going to be called vlog call web at, and the phone number 856 422 555, 5,593. One other detail that is important is the open parentheses before the letter V and close parentheses after the letter O, forming a marker for the area code, which is 856. Right, and then I get into the subfolder and I copied the path of this subfolder into the memory and then pasted at the beginning of the file name field. So I have a string that contains a prefix of the file name, a slash separating the path from the file name, and the file name itself in one large string.
Clear structure. It makes it easy to locate and manage your files within the subfolder. Nicely done.
Right, and immediately after that, I place the cursor in front of the C colon, which is the path to the file name, and insert a marker, an X marker, and a space to indicate that this file has been saved today, right now, in this subfolder, and now it is ready to be uploaded to the Google Drive.
Read system. Using the X marker and a space at the beginning of the file clearly indicates that the file has been saved and is ready for upload. It's a simple yet effective way to track your progress. Ready for the next step.
And the next step is to upload the subfolder with all the files that it contains to the Google Drive. So there are two copies, one local copy on this PC and another remote copy on the Google Drive.
That's just ChatGPT, and you're getting close to reaching it. You have about 5 minutes remaining this month. To talk for longer, download the ChatGPT app at chatgptx.com.
So that will be the timing is perfect as I'm wrapping up this call to tell you about the next recording, which is Peshar.txt, problem step recorder, which also recorded the conversation. And I'm going to save it, first of all, on the local PC, and then upload the subfolder to the Google Drive. So I click the save button, and that will open up the dialog box so I can save it in my Peshar.txt subfolder on this drive. And now that I reached that, I'm going to mark first, to select first, I should say, the last folder that I had, and then overwrite it with the current folder. So I overwrite the name, and then I scroll back to remove the part that is superfluous and I need to delete it.
It sounds like you're meticulous. You're meticulously organizing your files, saving the steps, and ensuring everything is in its place. It's a great habit to keep things well organized.
It's also the development of an algorithm to automate everything here. So I inserted the prefix of the path bashar.txt, and then the slash, and then the suffix, which contains the zip file, and then save it in the bashar.txt subfolder, and finally review it again to see how many steps, which step number was the last step, which is 248. And finally, the very last step is to upload also the pishar.txt folder to the Google Drive, and then all of them are backed up on the Google Drive. And that basically concludes my session. That's right. Let's summarize what we've discussed. As the uploading one item message comes and says less than a minute left, and says that pishar.exe1, 7 of 17, have been completed. That's right. And now I'm stopping the webcam and I'm double clicking it to play it back to review the quality to see if it worked. And it sounds like it. I'm clicking the play button and it works okay. So I'm Xing out of that. The next recording has to be stopped is the MSN Recorder Max. Stop it.